This is the Earl Cotton Jap, and some would say that it was the jewel of the collection. Others have different opinion. It is a bike which was donated by Dougie Earl's widow about 10 years ago to the museum. Dougie Earl in his heyday actually raced at Brooklands and is credited with some success as a clubman racer. The machine itself is a 1928 Cotton with a 1938 Jap engine in it. When I first came to the museum, my first challenge was to try and make it operational, which took around about 9 months because there were many problems associated not only with the engine but parts missing, etc. You will see later that it does work. It has had many hours of work on it, and our aim is to try and maintain the character of the bike, because it does reflect what an individual thought an outer circuit racer should look like at Brooklands. The purists have a nightmare with it, but as a piece of history it is an incredible representation of Brooklands.
Early in the year I was asked to have a look at the machine and carry out some routine maintenance. Whilst doing this, we discovered that one of the engine plates was cracked and broken in half, and we decided perhaps, as it was not repairable, we could perhaps remake it. So I was asked if I could tackle this job, and I took the job on, and I have a small workshop at home, and cut out a new plate for one side, and it was decided perhaps that the other side may be as bad, so we took that other side out, and sure enough, that was in 3 pieces, so I remade the other side as well. So both these engine plates have been remade in alloy, the new spacers, and the whole bike apparently appears to be more rigid than normal.